What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys another product that is going to be on my store and I'm going to be offering to you guys. So the product I'm going to be showing you guys in this video are going to be some carbon fiber M-style front grills for the F30, like I said, and only the F30. These will only fit the BMW F30 3 Series chassis. So yeah, I just want to make that clear. But you may have noticed that I already have like M-style grills on my F30. They're just gloss black. So that's really going to be the only difference between the two grills. These ones that I'm going to be showing you guys are carbon fiber around the like edge, outer ring of the grill. But the actual like slats in the middle are still gloss black. I'm going to be offering both the carbon fiber and the gloss black. So they'll look exactly like the ones I have on the car already, but these look a lot cooler in my opinion, obviously because it's carbon fiber. But let's just get right into it. Let me show you guys here. So I have them in here. So here are the carbon fiber M-style grills that are going to be that I'm going to be offering on my store. As you can see, it is carbon fiber around the outside here, and then it is gloss black on the slats in the middle here. So yeah, they're pretty much exactly the same. Let me get this one out here. So I got that one out now. They're pretty much exactly the same in terms of style and fitment. The only difference is that they're carbon fiber, which for some of us looks a lot cooler than just gloss black. But they are going to be more expensive, obviously, because it's carbon fiber. More expensive than the gloss black. But yeah, these are it. As you can see, it is real carbon fiber around the edges there. And I think these look a lot cooler. So like I mentioned, I already have gloss black M-style grills on my F30 right now. And I did a video on installing those. It was one of the first videos I did for the F30. But I'm gonna show you guys how to install these again. But the process is exactly the same. It's not too difficult, but I'll just show you guys for those of you who may not know, and just so you guys can see that these fit really good on the F30, so you don't have to worry about any fitment issues or anything. So yeah, let's get into installing these. So as you guys can see, I have, like I said, the gloss black M-style grills on the F30 already. So I'm going to go ahead and take these ones out and put the carbon fiber ones in. But first I gotta take these out, like I said. So to take these out, we're gonna have to open up the hood and then like unclip the clips that are around the whole grill that are like hooked on to the inside of the bumper here. But let me go ahead and open the hood. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just remove this rubber seal here. It simply pops off like that. And underneath that you can see the T torque screws that I'm going to need to remove. The ones in the middle here are T30, and then the two on the outside I believe are T25. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and remove these screws real quick. Now I'm just going to pull this out like this. That way this moves like that. And now we can kind of bend this outwards so that I can fit my hand in here to unclip the clips that are on the inside here holding onto the bumper. Alright, so I'm going to try to show you guys what I'm talking about, like the clips you have to remove. So you can see there's one right there, and then there's one right there also, and then there's like two on the sides down there on each side, and then there's three more on the bottom. So to unclip those, you just kind of have to, so I can show you, push this down, like push this down and out, and push it outward, and then it should just pop out. It's kind of hard to do when I'm holding the camera like this. Jesus, I was kind of struggling with this bottom one right here for some reason, in the bottom left corner, right here on both sides. For some reason that one's like really hard to get out, but just take some time and wiggling and it'll come out. Okay, so I have the carbon fiber grills here, and then all I need to do is just simply push this until all of the clips are clipped into place. There we go, just like that. Super easy. Go ahead and do the other side. There we go. And they're in. Nice and secured. These won't fall out. So, should be good there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and secure the top of the bumper back onto the car. Alright, so I flipped the car around here so we can get a nice view of these in the sun. And as you can see, it has that awesome carbon fiber reflection. Now it matches the front lip. And these fit very securely, so these aren't coming out. I know on the E90s, or on my E90, I struggled to find grills that would fit without, needing zip ties. But I don't know, for some reason F30 grills don't have a problem, or at least aftermarket F30 grills don't have a problem being pretty secure without zip ties. But these fit perfectly. So yeah, this is what you'll be getting if you do purchase these from my store. This is exactly what you'll be getting. I wanted to show you guys a visual so that you guys can see exactly how these look, how these fit and everything. And to know that you are getting a good quality product. I'm trying my best to only sell, good quality products on my store that fit good enough or really good. I don't want to, offer any products that are horrible fitment, that fall off or anything. So yeah, these look awesome, as you can tell. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. Now these match the carbon fiber mirror caps that I'm also going to be selling on the store. These are the exact mirror caps that I will have on the store also. If only I had gotten a carbon fiber hood. Unfortunately, I didn't think of that before I bought this one. This is just an iron hood. If you guys have been, for those of you who may not have been following. But yeah, I think a carbon fiber hood would have looked sick. Looked absolutely fire with the rest of this carbon fiber. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. Another visual of one of the products I'm going to be selling. Good fitment, good quality finish, good quality product overall. Like I said, trying to only sell good quality products. This is one of them, I believe. They're up to my standards, because I know how annoying it is, trying to search for products online and you just don't know if it's a good quality product, if it fits good. But with my products, I'm trying to, make it clear and make it obvious, the exact condition of the product with the pictures I'm going to be posting and even videos, so that all you guys get a nice visual. You guys know exactly what you're going to be getting if you do order from my store. So yeah, if you are interested in getting a set of these, I'll have a link directly down in the description, directly to my store, to these carbon fiber front grills, along with, you can also get gloss black if you want that instead. Those would be cheaper, obviously, than these, since these are carbon fiber. But yeah, these are only for the F30 or F31 chassis, the 3 Series chassis. These won't fit 4 Series or 2 Series because the grill's obviously different on those. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions, comment those down below. Otherwise, Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on mods and products I'm going to be offering on my store. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.